Alright guys, this one's gonna hit hard. 5 kids, one exhausted father, and a mother who vanished after dropping them off with a stranger behind the wheel. As the judge walks in, nobody realizes the chaos that's about to unfold. This case isn't just about child support, it's about abandonment, survival, and a courtroom trying to make sense of a broken family.
You may be seated. Okay, it looks like Miss Daniels brought this case before the court and...
Right here, the judge spots something unusual. Mom brought the case, but she didn't even show up. That's a major red flag. In family court, the petitioner is expected to appear. Her absence already hints at instability. And for a judge, that instantly shifts the emotional and legal tone of the hearing.
What's your name, sir?
Michael.
All right. Michael, well, what's your last name? I don't want to call you by your first name.
Clough.
Michael Clough. All right, Mr. Clough. It looks as though you were brought to court.
Unwillingly.
To be put on child support, but she's not here.
She's never here, Your Honor. She never shows up.
All right, so tell me what's going on. Well, you know she brought you here for you to pay child support. So what's going on with you all's situation?
Listen to this moment closely. 5 kids, no car seats, and a mother leaving in a suspicious vehicle. This isn't just bad parenting, this could border on neglect. Judges take child safety extremely seriously, and this detail alone can swing the entire direction of a case. What would you have done in his place?
I mean, not too long ago, she dropped the kids off. She was in a strange vehicle, saying she was about to come up on some money, and I haven't seen her since, Your Honor.
Okay.
I'm taking care of these kids. I got to go to work. I can't, they my kids. I had them, I made them, but, I got to go to work.
Okay. How many kids are we talking?
5.
5 kids? She dropped out 5 kids with you?
5 kids, Your Honor. No
and
clothes,
kept going.
no nothing.
Who was driving the car? Could you see?
I couldn't see. You know how it is.
No, I don't.
Maybe you don't.
Tell me what you mean.
I mean, these women get with these strange guys, and they give them this false hope, and so she was in some kind of old Cutlass with some 20s on it, and she rode off in the sunset. Haven't seen her since.
And all 5 of the kids?
This is the moment the judge realizes the danger those kids were in. No car seats. No diapers. No plan. When a parent disappears like this for months, it raises huge legal questions. Is she fit to have custody? Should CPS be involved? The courtroom energy shifts from child support to child protection.
We're in that car?
All 5 of them sitting on each other's laps.
Wow.
Yeah, it was bad.
Oh my gosh. Are any of the kids in car seats or should be in car seats?
No car seats. My youngest kid didn't even have any diapers, Your Honor. I called my mom and asked her. She said no, so I had to do what I had to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long ago did that happen?
Like 2 months ago.
2 months?
2 months ago.
Have you heard from her at all?
Haven't heard from her at all. I sent her some texts when I got the letter about coming to court. But
right.
Here's where the conflict becomes crystal clear. He was sending $500 a week, an amount many families survive on monthly. But she wanted $2,000 a week. That's not just unrealistic, it signals deeper issues: entitlement, financial strain, and possibly manipulation. This is where judges start questioning true intentions.
I haven't heard anything since.
Okay. Did she tell you she was going to bring you to court for child support?
She did. And then she dropped the kids off, and I haven't seen her since.
Okay. So what was the conflict? Like, what happened for you all to get to the point to where she said, I'm going to file child support on you?
Well, I was working out of town, Your Honor, and I was sending her about $500 a week, but she wasn't satisfied with that. She felt like she should have $2,000 a week, and I just couldn't do it, Your Honor. I couldn't survive off giving her that much money, and, I tried to...
The judge learns he's paying for everything: health insurance, essentials, the whole load, while making a McDonald's cook's salary. This exposes the imbalance. Legally, child support is based on income, not demands. Emotionally, it shows a father doing everything he can while the mother disappears.
I work it out with her, and then I end up getting a letter in the mail, which I thought was crazy.
Okay. Are the kids on any type of government assistance or anything?
No, ma'am, Your Honor. I pay for everything.
Okay, you pay for health insurance and everything like that?
All of it. And I work at McDonald's, Your Honor. I can't afford that, 5 kids, McDonald's salary. It's hard out here.
Okay. So you're in management?
No, I work on the line. I'm a cook.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yes,
got
ma'am.
you.
Best
All right.
cook out here.
I know that's right.
Yeah.
Too bad I don't eat at McDonald's, otherwise I'll put your cooking skills to the test.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but you cook other stuff, right? You can cook outside of
Oh, yeah,
what
I
you
cook
make.
Watch this shift. Things suddenly get personal, playful even. But beneath the jokes, the judge is reading his character. A parent who works, cooks, cares, and stays present, versus a parent who vanished. Every small moment in court builds credibility, and right now, he's gaining it fast.
Other stuff outside of work.
Okay, all right. You do like private in-home stuff, so like if me and my husband needed a private chef,
no,
you could
you
do
and
that?
Your husband don't want the stuff I cook, Your Honor.
What you cook?
I'm not at liberty to discuss that in the courtroom right now.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay, got you.
Right.
Right, okay.
If you know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean, but you know what? I don't even want to know.
Yeah, you probably don't.
Okay, all right.
This is the big one. The judge decides to dismiss the case. That's huge. Legally, you don't dismiss child support lightly. But when the petitioner vanishes, fails to care for the kids, and provides no stability, dismissal becomes the only fair outcome. The courtroom mood shifts from tense to relieved.
So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
I appreciate that.
No
I
problem.
left them in the car, so, I really do got to get back out.
You left them by themselves?
What a dog watching them.
There's a dog watching the kids in the car.
The dog watching.
Is it like a German Shepherd? I have a German Shepherd.
No, it's a poodle, but he's trained to watch the kids.
So you left the poodle with the kids?
Yeah, the kids, yeah.
How old is the oldest child?
11.
Well, I guess that's not too bad.
But then, the twist. He left 5 kids in the car with a poodle acting as security. Funny on the surface, but legally risky. Judges are trained to catch every detail. This moment adds complexity. He's trying, but overwhelmed. It shows the weight single parents carry when left alone.
Bad. How old is the youngest child?
2.
Oh, okay. It's not too bad, but let me hurry up and get you out of here so you can go back and get with those kids,
I
okay?
appreciate that, Your
So
Honor.
we're going to dismiss this case. Now, she does have the right, if she wants to refile it in the future.
Right.
That's not saying that she will get what she's looking for, but she does have the right to do that. I just want to make sure that you understand that.
Right. Well, I don't know.
Even as she dismisses the case, the judge issues a warning. The mother has the right to refile. This is important. It reminds viewers that courtroom decisions aren't always final. Anything can reopen if circumstances change. But will a mom who vanished for months ever come back?
She'll show up anytime soon. She went to Miami to get a BBL, so...
What's a BBL?
It's where, they take the fat from the stomach and put it in the butt. Yeah.
Oh,
So I
so
don't
like
know.
plastic surgery?
I guess. I mean, I seen a picture. It was 10 or 12 of them in wheelchairs at the airport, so...
And here comes the shocker. She's in Miami getting a BBL. While he works, cooks, and raises 5 kids alone, she's spending money on surgery. This single detail flips the emotional weight of the entire story, revealing priorities that tell the court everything they need to know.
Okay, well, all
We're in
right.
the wrong business,
Maybe so. I need to be one of those doctors.
Right.
Okay. Well, Mr. Clough, if there is nothing further, you are free to leave and get to the car to get with those kids, okay?
Right. I'm going to get there right now. I
All right.
appreciate it, Your Honor.
Thank
And that's the end. Case dismissed. Father rushing back to his 5 kids, and a mother who left more questions than answers. From unsafe drop-offs to disappearing acts to courtroom honesty, this case shows how messy real-life justice can be. If this one stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more courtroom drama like this.